Hey there, health enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting journey into the world of natural wellness. Today, I'm diving into the incredible world of herbs and how they can support your organ health. These natural wonders have been used for centuries across different cultures, and their benefits are truly remarkable. If you're looking to boost your well-being naturally, you're in the right place. Let's explore how these herbs can be a game changer for your health. Let's kick things off with liver health. The liver is an essential organ that plays a crucial role in detoxifying our body. The liver is like the body's detox powerhouse. It filters out toxins and helps in metabolizing nutrients. And guess what? Milk thistle is its best friend. This herb is renowned for its liver-supporting properties. This herb has been used for centuries to support liver function and detoxification. It's a staple in traditional medicine. It contains silymarin, an antioxidant that helps protect liver cells from damage. Silymarin is known for its ability to regenerate liver tissue. Try adding milk thistle supplements or tea to your routine to give your liver some love. It's an easy and effective way to support liver health. Next up, let's talk about the heart. A healthy heart is vital for overall well-being. Hawthorn is an amazing herb for cardiovascular health. It's been cherished for its heart-strengthening properties. It's been shown to improve blood circulation, lower blood pressure, and strengthen the heart muscle. Regular use of hawthorn can make a significant difference. Hawthorn berries can be taken as a supplement or enjoyed as a tea. Both forms are effective and easy to incorporate into your daily routine. They're packed with antioxidants and flavonoids that support a healthy heart. These compounds help in reducing inflammation and oxidative stress. Moving on to kidney health. Our kidneys are essential for filtering waste and balancing fluids in the body. Dandelion root is a fantastic herb for supporting kidney function. It's a natural diuretic that promotes kidney health. It acts as a diuretic, helping to flush out toxins and excess fluids. This can be particularly beneficial for those looking to detoxify their system. Dandelion root tea can be a great addition to your daily routine, especially if you're looking to keep your kidneys in top shape. It's a simple yet powerful way to support kidney health. Now let's not forget about digestion. A healthy digestive system is key to overall wellness. Ginger is a superstar when it comes to digestive health. It's widely known for its ability to soothe the stomach. It's known for its anti-inflammatory and anti-nausea properties. Ginger can be a lifesaver for those with digestive issues. Ginger can help soothe the stomach, reduce bloating, and improve overall digestion. It's a versatile herb that can be used in many forms. You can add fresh ginger to your meals, drink ginger tea, or take it in supplement form. Each method offers its own unique benefits. Lastly, let's talk about the brain. Cognitive health is crucial for maintaining a sharp mind. Ginkgo biloba is an ancient herb that's been used to support brain health for centuries. It's a powerhouse for cognitive function. It's known for improving blood flow to the brain and enhancing cognitive function. Regular use of ginkgo biloba can help maintain mental clarity. Ginkgo biloba supplements can be a fantastic way to boost memory and focus. They're easy to find and simple to use. So there you have it, 5 powerful herbs that can support the health of your organs. Each one offers unique benefits that can enhance your overall well-being. 5 powerful herbs that can support the health of your organs. Remember, these herbs are nature's gift to us. Remember, always consult with a healthcare provider before starting any new herbal regimen. It's important to ensure they're right for you. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more health tips. Your support means a lot to us. Stay healthy and see you next time. Keep exploring the wonders of nature and take care of your body.